Today is a fashion show and you're the one to run it. Hello everyone, welcome to the Queen of Fashion. Friends, today we bring the premium quality pendant set and then we show you the meenakari earrings. Also, we have the most demanded pearl necklace set and then we show you the Diya type earrings and also the rajwadi matte plated brass bangles in premium quality. We hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. For any queries or communication, you can visit our Facebook page, The Queen of Fashion. The link is also provided in the description. Thank you and see you soon.